Have you ever been told that you need to eat 5 or 6 meals a day to boost your metabolism? Or have you ever been told that eating fat makes you fat? Today, I am breaking down some very common nutrition myths so that you are no longer confused and you can continue and grow your healthy habits with your food and in your kitchen. Number 1 myth, you need to eat every 2 to 3 hours to boost your metabolism. I am just not a fan of this concept. I am a fan of simplicity, and we want to get rid of overcomplicating healthy eating. If you are hungry, eat. That's very simple concept that I think anybody can get on board with. Here's the deal. What you do need to do is have some healthy options in place, especially in your home. Your pantry and your fridge should be stocked with some healthier options. Now, I'm not talking about all the food that you're gonna buy at the store. I'm talking about we should probably do a little bitty bit of meal prep every week so we have some recipes on hand when we do get hungry. I have some go-to snacks like trail mix, dairy-free coconut milk yogurt. I love to make energy balls. Things like this are in my kitchen all the time so that when I do get hungry, I have something to eat on hand. But don't let anyone tell you that you need to eat every 2 to 3 hours to keep your metabolism going. That's not how the body works. And I don't want you to have to be frustrated or overwhelmed with this philosophy. Myth number 2, fat makes you fat. This one drives me crazy. We need fat, my friends. We need healthy fat in our daily diet. I always tell people try to get a source of healthy fat at every single meal. Did you know our brains are made of fat? So if we're sticking to that low fat, no fat diet that it's been embedded in us since the 70s, we are essentially starving our brain. Fat serves lots of purposes other than the brain, but that's the one I love to focus on because it makes me crazy when people adhere to a low-fat diet. Nourish your body with healthy fats. Now, not all fat is created equal. We do want to avoid some of the unhealthy, super ultra-processed foods that have those nasty fats in them, especially those foods that have those refined oils in them. Think vegetables, soybean, canola. These oils are not good sources of healthy fat. If you would like more information on some of these myths and you want to dig deeper and get to know me a little better, have you joined the Healthy Hub? It is my online free community. Think of it like a social media group, but it's not on social media. And it's completely complimentary for you. You can click the link in my description to join us. We have over 2,500 people in there, and we are having a blast getting healthy in our kitchens together. Myth number 3, carbs are bad. Thanks a lot, keto diet. I am here to tell you that carbs are not all bad. It all started with the Atkins diet back in the 90s, and now we've moved on to the keto diet. I am not here to squash diets. I don't even want to talk about them. What I do want to talk to you about today is not all carbs are created equal. There are bad carbs, there are good carbs, but essentially we need carbs just like we need fat. We need good carbs in our life, whole food carbs like quinoa and sweet potatoes and fiber-rich vegetables that fuel our body. So get on the healthy fat bandwagon. Get on the carb bandwagon. I am here to release you from the restrictions, but we just need to hone in and really understand which ones are good and which ones are bad. This is a great way for you to learn with me is by joining the Healthy Hub. Don't forget, the link is in the description below. Number 4 myth, this one should probably be at my number 1. You need dairy for strong bones. That is a myth. There are so many ways to get calcium in our diet that don't involve inflammatory pasteurized dairy. I am not a fan of the pasteurized dairy products at the grocery store. They cause inflammation over time. Dairy from a cow is not something that we should be consuming multiple times a day. And as Americans, we typically are. So I'm here to tell you, don't follow the myth that dairy or milk is how you're going to get your calcium. You can get calcium from so many other sources. Did you know sesame seeds are really high in calcium? You can consume sesame seeds by themselves, sesame oil, tahini. There are so many things. Almonds, leafy greens, all of these provide calcium. So don't adhere to the myth that you should only get calcium from dairy. If this video was helpful for you, I have 2 requests. Number 1, have you subscribed to my channel? Number 2, join the Healthy Hub. I can't say it anymore. Join the Healthy Hub, it's free and it's fun, and we just support each other on this healthy eating journey so you don't get overwhelmed. If you want to share one of your myths with me, put it in the comments below and I will see you inside the Healthy Hub.